I have been therefore looking at what's involved in living in a very, very cold climate. Okay. And one of the things that's involved is you need a shitload of wood to keep you warm. You got to chop that wood up somehow. And so then that led me on to looking at axes for camping and things like that. Okay. And so I found this a very, very interesting niche. And again, it's exactly what I've just been describing, as you'll see in just a second, where it goes through an evolutionary process. But as you'll see, it's very, very interesting. So all sorts of different kinds of axes are available. Just within the axe thing, there's a significant amount of leeway, give and take, between what that axe gets used for. And it would be very, very simple to position that axe within that as the solution to that unique person's problem. Okay. And that's what we do as marketers. That's kind of our job. So I started looking a little bit deeper into this, and I was just looking through things, and I happened upon, where is it? Let's see if it's on this page. I happened upon an axe that was for like a Viking axe, tomahawk and Viking axe. And the thing that's got that makes it kind of unique is it's got this beautiful handle. It looks kind of handcrafted. Okay. So then I thought about, well, my old man, my dad, used to collect these beautiful, beautiful guns. Like didn't used to fire them, well, occasionally, but mostly they were just these works of art, like beautiful things, hand created, all this intricate detail on them. Absolutely fantastic. And so I thought, I wonder if there is that kind of thing within this niche. Turns out there is. So there is a subset of people who want this handmade, looks very, very authentic, with this beautiful kind of what we'd normally think of as a kind of tattoos that people get done, predominantly dudes get done, but onto the actual axes. Okay. So stuff like these handmade carbon steel axes. And these are just beautiful. What utter, like that burning on the wooden handle. It's just magnificent. And these actual axe blades, well, that is a work of art. $123. Thank you very much. If you want to buy one of those. And so I went and remembered something that Kathy Lloyd had said to me about Etsy and about all the handmade stuff that was on Etsy. And so I thought, okay, I'll go and check out Etsy and go and see what's going on there. And it's a real thing. It's like a crazy thing, actually. So all of these great handmade axes, some better than others, but like that Norseman's axe, that's pretty sexy, don't you reckon? $287, $178, handmade, carbon forged. The handles have been are wooden, but they've been burnt and that kind of thing. And so I thought, well, that's probably very expensive to get done, because that's artisanal craftsmanship. That's going to be difficult to get done. And, you know, who knows what the cost of these things are. $170. I mean, they're selling on Etsy for around that kind of $200 mark. They sell on Etsy for, and they sell on D2C stores, direct to consumer stores, again, around that $170, $200 mark. So I thought, well, that's going to be very, very difficult to get a hold of. And so I went and started looking on Alibaba to go find them. And there's a company in Pakistan that makes these axes and hand makes them to your specifications, to your steel specifications, and they will create for you your own axe. And the MOQ is 10. The MOQ is 10. Okay. Like $15. And they sell for quite a lot of money. for quite a lot of money. That was a video from my regular Monday night session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of e-commerce professionals right around the world, making sales on Amazon, on eBay, on Shopify, all sorts of different places, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. There's 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce professionals in Australia right now. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also come and join us, of course, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.